Consider x squared minus 6x plus 9. If we have x minus 3 all squared, and we want to expand this, this is x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. X times x gives us x squared. Minus 3 times minus 3 gives plus 9. We then have minus 3x and minus 3x. And rearranging, we get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Compare this with this. We can see they're the same. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 is x minus 3 all squared. Because this is exactly x minus 3 squared, we say that x squared minus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square. Consider x squared minus 6x plus 10. This could be written as x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 1. This is x minus 3 all squared plus 1. When we write a quadratic in this form, it's called completed square form. And we're going to see how to write quadratics in completed square form and what the use of completed square form is.